Yeah, sure.
Yeah, yeah. So what Slicer does? So Slicer is like a mix of filters. So there are like multiple filters that will help you to drill down view of your analytics. So let me give you like an example. So you have data for Walmart. So let's say Walmart sales data you have, and you have data like a three specific commodity level. There is a appliance, there is grocery, and there is pharmacy. Let's say, and you can see the revenue of Walmart USA on these three category. Now you want to deep dive. So let's go back. Walmart has like 100 of different categories, but maybe pharmacy, appliance, and retail or grocery is the like a top three. So you want to focus into this top three. So you filter all the, you remove all the data and filter into top three elements. So now you want to see like how each state is doing in this top three category. So next level of filtering is all the states that under. So maybe you don't want to see all the states. Maybe you want to see maybe big five states like California, Texas, Florida, New York, or New Mexico, something like top five. So add a filter of the states and just see okay, these are the states I would like to see. So now we have two filter. First one, it filters from the all the categories to three categories. Now from then next filter, it filter out from the all the states to like a top five states. Then within the top five states, you can go to the city level. Okay, within Texas, what are the cities I would like to see? Texas has like maybe thousands of cities. Maybe you would like to see only the big cities, so you can filter out like the big cities. And also same thing with California, New York. You can filter out cities, so we can see how the big cities sales in different categories can compare to each other. Then we can build a heat map on top of that. So see how the slicer can filter out the unnecessary data to focus on the data that you were looking at or data you want to see. So that's how you can do. So slicer, you can say it's a mix of filters to drill down the analytics and to get the insights that you can create. So on the video, we saw a slicer based on the year. So you don't want to see all the years of data. Maybe you just want to focus on 2017 and 18 data. So year is a filter they used. Then also location, date, they have like other filters. So use those filtering to get the data that you need and build the analytics or the insights on top of that. So some of the filters that we can use are like a top end filters. So top end filters are what are the top categories based on selected measure. We talked about like a Walmart, we used top three filters based on the sales. These are the top three filters based on the sales. Similar to top end filters, like a bottom end filters. So just the opposite. So based on the selection measure, what are the bottom n categories, bottom three values or bottom five values, something like. Then there is a date filter. So you can filter based on a date, what is the update on last 7 days, this month, last 90 days, or year to date. So those are date filter. And there is also more advanced logic you can use the filter. So advanced logic can be, if I go back to the Walmart, so if a sales happens, it has to be within the category of pharmacy, retail, or appliance. It has to be within the five states. So and not within something else. So how these logics can be tuned, and this way we can use a DAX expression for filters as well. And cross filtering. So if you filter where your filter is going to impact, is it going to impact this one visual or one tab that you were focusing on, or is it going to be filter all other tabs that on that page? So that's where the cross filtering. So In the video we saw like you can create it impacts on the size of pane page, or it can impact all the other info pages as well. So it depends on your work, what message you want to convey. So these are like some of the different type of filters that we can use in the in the slicer. So hierarchy is, I think we already talked about the hierarchy. Like a hierarchy allows us to drill down through the slicer to build the information insights. So a hierarchy is the as if we think about the Walmart example, the first level of hierarchy or the primary hierarchy, if I or say parent hierarchy. The main level was the appliance level. Then you go to the state level. Then you go to the city level. So that's the hierarchy. If you want to add another hierarchy like a date, so like a Walmart has a lot of data from its it has been in the US like maybe last 70-80 years. So I just don't want to see all the data. There's like a lot of data. I just want to see like some year of data. So you can add another hierarchy on top of the appliance hierarchies or below the appliance hierarchy, like a year of data. So you select the top 3 appliances, then you can see like what is the date. So there is another level of hierarchy, then you go state it. So these are the the way. These are the these. That's how you organize your different filter or slicer to organize your data processing. So let's look at a small video on the hierarchy. So I hope this will make more sense.
Building your online business? Go to Wix.com and set up your store.
Hey everyone, in this session we are going to discuss about one of the most important feature which is rolled out in February 2020 update, which is the hierarchical slicer. So now